Okay, right here is your regular home screen. You can see the map and the car and blah, blah, blah. The little blue square is where we're going to have access to this. By the way, watch this. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not touching the screen, just waving. And you can hear the cool little sound. How you access that is here. Scroll up. Did you see that? I didn't even. And then settings, screen, hand gesture. You have hand gesture indicator and hand gesture tone. You can hear the little sound whenever I swipe. So now let's see. No, it's not doing up and down, but watch this. You can go to any screen that has multi pages. You see the 3 little dots down here? So that means I can swipe. Not touching it. But then when you want to make a selection, I think you actually have to touch the selection that you want. So any screen that you see multiple pages for, you can just do that. And that under settings is how you, and then screen is how you activate it and deactivate it. I've not been able to do it, make it go up and down yet. And I was doing some reading and it said that you can actually make selections with it, but all I've been able to get it to do so far is to swipe left and right like that. But you simply wave your hand in front of it and let's see. Now it seems to prefer doing your hand like this. That is just such a cool little feature. And again, hit the blue square, scroll up, go to settings, go to screen, and that is where you can activate it or deactivate it. But I think it's a cool enough feature to keep active in your Volkswagen.